In Phoenix with your forecast update on this Saturday evening, I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Jared Heil. Starting out with the sunset that we had just a little bit ago from the Phoenix City Cam looking westward. And we did have lots of sunshine today, obviously. It was a warm one. Temperatures were in the upper 70s and lower 80s. And it's going to stay pretty quiet here for the next 2 or 3 days to come with bigger changes in our forecast really not showing up until we head toward the middle and latter part of the week. What we do have tonight is some cloud cover up to our north and northwest over Nevada, parts of Utah, and central California. That is drifting off to the south and southeast, so do not expect a completely sunny day again for the second half of your weekend. There is a little dip in the jet stream that's going to push through here over the next 24 hours and bring those high clouds off to the south and southeast. But still, not going to give us any rain, and it will keep temperatures perhaps a degree or two cooler because of the clouds, but nothing overly big in terms of a change in our weather for the second half of the weekend. Low 80s for your Sunday. Same Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, but take a look. By Thursday and Friday, we're back in the mid to upper 60s for highs in Phoenix. And here's the reason why. I'm going to let this run for you, showing the jet stream animation. And anything in those darker shades of blue indicates a strong dip in the jet stream and colder temperatures aloft. That dip in the jet stream is going to carve out a trough of low pressure across our area as we head toward late Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday. At the very least, we're going to see a big drop in temperatures as we talked about. But some other impacts are going to come to Arizona and parts of California as well. Breezy to windy conditions and perhaps some rain chances, perhaps some snow chances. We'll talk about that in just a second. And the timing for that precipitation coming late Wednesday through Thursday, ending Friday. And we should be drying out by the time we head toward the weekend. A stronger low pressure system would give more opportunities to see rain into the lower deserts. At this point, the majority of the forecast guidance keeps the best chance of rain to the north and northeast of Phoenix and the higher terrain of central and northeast Arizona. But it would not surprise me to see this weather system come in a little bit stronger, and that would bring measurable rain opportunities to Phoenix with this particular system. At this time, our official forecast does not really have much rain in the bucket for Phoenix, but you can see those darker shades of green mainly for eastern Pinal, far eastern Maricopa, and Gila counties. That's where the best chance of rain is going to be with this weather system. Across our area, the winds are going to be pretty gusty from time to time Wednesday and Thursday as this system moves closer and closer to us. Some of the wind gusts could be on the order of 25 to 35 miles per hour across the lower deserts, and higher gusts are expected, of course, over our higher terrain locations. Keep that in mind if you're going to be traveling for the middle of this week. Low temperatures behind this weather system once skies do begin to clear out a little bit. It's going to be quite a bit colder with our forecast low of 49 in Phoenix on Friday morning, 45 for Gila Bend, and 43 in Blythe. Upper 30s for Wickenburg and Globe, and 30 in Payson. So the odds of reaching or falling below freezing with this particular time frame, Thursday night, Friday morning, we'll take a look there. 80% chance in Prescott, 70% chance in Payson, 20% chance in Globe, and about a 50% chance in Joshua Tree National Park of falling to or below 32 degrees by Thursday night and Friday morning. Pretty cold temperatures on the way as we head toward the latter part of this week. And with the colder air and some energy around in the higher elevations, it will likely be cold enough to snow. Now, what you're looking at here is the probability of seeing 1 inch or greater of snow in a 24-hour period sometime between Wednesday and Friday night. We're still working on timing out when this weather system will make its closest approach to our weather. Looks to be around Thursday. That's going to be the epicenter of any active weather around here. But at this point in time, you can see there, mainly north of the rim, Flagstaff to Show Low would be the best chance of seeing measurable snow of 1 inch or greater with this weather system. That means those higher peaks north of Flagstaff will likely have snow on them once this system pushes out of the way. But down in the lower deserts, it will be, if anything, rain, and we'll be lucky to see that. Some areas will not see rain, just wind and a cool down. That's going to be the big impacts across the lower elevations the farther southwest you travel. So we'll keep you posted on this weather system here at the National Weather Service Phoenix. Bottom line, get the jackets ready to go for the latter part of the week. Have a great night.